Can you hear the vibrant silence of nature? So quiet, you can listen to the beat of your heart. We dream about this place when we are not here, when we feel trapped by the pressure of daily life with all its constraints holding us back. But out here, it's just Mother Nature and us. Slowly, we tune into this peaceful rhythm and reconnect. It's pure privilege to feel like these wild spaces belong to us and we belong to them. What a treat. We rush through our lives day after day, full of obligations, yet so far away from ourselves, from our deepest core. Life's short, they say, but maybe it's just long enough if you live it right. Here, in these mountains, doing what we love, we're home. This is our place of adventure, full of joy and freedom. A place where time doesn't exist, wild and free. It's who we are. Now, if all your wishes could be released out there, what would you do? So, ride on and just be.